Hey, a package on the door look like it's coming from Amazon Prime. Hey, what's up everyone? Jeff Carbuoy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video we are featuring a new product by Mrliance. This is Mrliance Electric Pressure Washer. So they reach out to me, they say, hey, we have a new product here that we would like you to feature on your YouTube channel. And I said, hey, you know what, I'll take it. And guess what, guys, this brand new electric pressure washer Mrliance is going back to you. One of the lucky subscribers this time is gonna get a brand new electric pressure washer. So what we're doing today, I'm just going to review it, unbox, and then we're gonna assemble and then pack it back on the box and send it to one lucky subscriber. So if you want to be the winner of this brand new Mrliance electric pressure washer, hey, number one, you have to subscribe to Jeff Carbuoy YouTube channel. So make sure you smash that red subscribe button. If you are subscribed, hey, you are in the good track. So follow me along, stay tuned along the video. I'm gonna share with you what the details that I need on the comment section. That way you are considered the winner. The first comment and he got it, or he or she get it right, this package is coming right to you. So here it is. It's a brand new electric pressure washer. Let me continue unlapping everything, and then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna guide you on how to assemble this equipment. And this equipment is very critical, it's very important, especially if you have if you like doing your own car wash, cleaning the deck like this one here, patio, name it, cleaning the house, the exterior of the house. This electric pressure washer comes in handy. And this is what all that was in the box. Everything here, I'm gonna show you how to assemble them step by step. So as you can see here, it's a Mrliance electric pressure washer. Is a 2000 watt electric pressure washer. And as you can see, all the inlets and outlet hose, they come right in the front, right there on the bottom. That's the rail. This bottle soap, the wad and the gun, and all the other hardwares, high pressure washer, hose, different nozzles, and also come with the instruction guide right here. And with the instruction guide, there is this tool that is attached here. It's very useful to unblock the, if you have clogged nozzles, that tool will help you to clean it up. So if you follow this instruction right here, make sure also you note the screws. The screws here, make sure they're all the same size. If they're not the same size, make sure you know exactly which size goes where. But in this Mrliance electric pressure washer, all screws are the same size. So with the instruction guide, you can assemble this real quick. So let's start off by connecting this rail guide here, which comes attached with a 20-foot high pressure hose, which has a metal connection to avoid annoying water leakage. And to attach it to Mrliance electric pressure washer, you need 4 screws, 2 on each side, and using the supplied Phillips screwdriver, you attach it just like the following. Now, like I said, I'm going to share along the video what you need to do in order to be the winner. So number one, you need, there'll be a link where you can buy this product. Hit that link. It's going to be on the comment section either or on the description of this video. It's gonna take you to Amazon, and you're gonna see right away 25% discount. Let me know on the comment section what was the price before the discount and what is the price after the discount. That is one of the details that I need on the comment section for you to be considered the winner. 2 more details, I'm gonna share all those tips along this video, so stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed. Now the next thing, as you can see, is installing the nozzle holder. It comes with 5 different nozzles, and you're attaching them using the same screws. All those nozzles, they're gonna give you different pressure. They're ranging from 0 degrees all the way to 40 degrees, and that dictates which nozzle you're gonna use based on what kind of job you are doing. Either you're doing cleaning the car, you're cleaning your deck, or whatever you're doing. Next, here we are going to connect the pressure hose to the pressurized hose rail. So this the elbow side goes on the bottom, and the other side will come right here on the top to connect it to the pressurized hose rail. As you can see, it has two sides, so make sure the elbow side comes right here on the bottom, and this straight goes on the top. So you push it in first, just like that. Once you hit the end, then you can screw in with the rubber. I think it's a plastic connector. And then the other end goes on the top right here. Again, you push it all the way in, and then you hand tighten just like that. Now if you're following along with me, the next detail that I need on the comment section, remember I said 3 different information that you're going to share. The second one, when you hit the ring, it's going to take you to where we are selling, they're selling this machine. And then when you go down where it says about this machine, about this item, is there going to be a description. So share with me on the comments, how much water can this motor on this machine can dispense in 1 minute, gallon per minute, or they call it GPM. It's gonna be on the description. I'm giving you all the hints so you can get this machine right away. So share that. And one more tip, one more details, and then once you get all the 3 items, put them together and share them on the comment section, and this machine will be all yours. So far so good. We have attached the soap holder, the gun holder, and here is the power cord holder right there. We are attaching here using the screw, and same screw, Phillips screwdriver, just like that. You put those together right there, and then this is gonna hold the 35-foot supplied cord, power cord. And once you install those holder, you just wrap the power cord just around it, just like that, and there we go. It looks neat. So far so good. And there it is, the Mrliance Electric Pressure Washer. The last thing to assemble is gonna be the gun assembly, which comes with the gun and the wad, and you just connect it just like that. Just line up the tab and twist, and then hang it on the gun holder just like that. And there it is, the full assembly of Mrliance Electric Pressure Washer. And if you want to attach the gun with the high pressure hose, they have supplied a wrench, and as you can see, the metal connector right there, it's easy to connect the two, just like that. Hand tighten, and then you come with the wrench, and you tighten just like that. All right, so far so good. The third detail that I need you to share on the comment, remember 3 different details that you're gonna share for you to be the lucky winner of this electric pressure washer, is once you hit the link on the Amazon, you will see that they supply 2 different colors. There's 2 options. There's a blue and the other one. Which color is the other electric pressure washer? Let me know in the comment section. The 3 details that I asked. The first one was the price, the GPM, and the color. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned.